All throughout this video course, I've been talking about driving traffic to an affiliate page. But one alternative that I highly recommend is to drive traffic to your own website or to your own landing page where you can collect leads and build a list. And once you have a list, you can continue to promote more affiliate products to your list. So instead of putting an affiliate link in your bio, you can put a link to your landing page instead. I also recommend that you build a funnel. So, for example, you don't just drive people to a landing page where you collect leads, but you could place upsell offers and one time offers in your funnel so you could immediately get sales from your leads. You could even have a whole back end offer in place. So, once they've gone through your funnel, now they're going to start getting automated emails from you promoting more affiliate products. The tools I use for all this are ClickFunnels and GetResponse. ClickFunnels is what I use to build my squeeze pages and my funnels, and GetResponse is what I use as my autoresponder. That's what I use to collect a database of leads and to send automated emails to people once they sign up to my list. Although these are the tools that I recommend, there are many other cheaper alternatives out there and also free alternatives. You could even learn how to build funnels yourself manually without having any paid tools. Now, another reason you may want to drive traffic to a landing page and also build your own list is you never know if your Instagram account may get closed down. So even if your Instagram account gets closed down, at least you'll have built a list of subscribers that you can promote affiliate products to and that you have built a relationship with, and you still have a following even without Instagram or any other third-party platforms. So with that said, I hope you've learned from this video course, and I wish you the best of luck with your affiliate marketing campaigns.